Do you ever use the Orders tab in My Allegro? It is a very useful tool. You will find there many options facilitating your sales management. The Details option should be of particular interest for you. We will explain why in a moment. Next to every order, there is the Details button. When you click it, you will see detailed information on the transaction. You will also find your notes or the added tracking numbers there. You can check the selected order or change their statuses. You can use the Bulk Order Edit feature. When you click the Print button, you can prepare and print address labels, mailing list, or order details. You can also change the status of many orders there at the same time. This way, sales management will be even easier for you. If you have a subscription, you can use additional functions. First, quickly check the total value of the selected orders. Second, assign selected labels to a larger number of offers at the same time. Third, easily export selected orders to a CSV or XML file. You can also export the list of parcels to the e-nadawca tool, provided that you have an e-nadawca account and you have integrated it with your Allegro account. We hope that you will find the Details option very useful. Remember that this is only one of many possibilities of the Orders tab. When you learn them all, your sales management will be even easier.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.